There are also many women who come to us and tell us, please do hair transplant, because they think they've lost hair, you do hair transplant and that's the end of it.
Female pattern hair loss. In male pattern hair loss, there is a pattern that the male starts losing hair from the sides, the temples.
You have to know what is hair transplant. So I spoke about this dermal papillary cells having a socket and there is a plug that goes and attaches. There are many women also who want to restore their hair soon after the cancer treatment. There are also many women who come to us and tell us, please do hair transplant, because they think they've lost hair, you do hair transplant and that's the end of it. So tell us more about hair transplant in women.
Hair transplant in women is done, definitely, but it is only reserved to certain conditions where it is absolutely needed. In male pattern hair loss, there is a pattern that the male starts losing hair from the sides, the temples. Similarly, in female pattern hair loss, which is also genetic or androgenic hair loss in women, they have a pattern where they start losing hair here or where the hairline is affected. It is not a diffuse, it is a pattern hair loss where hair transplant can be done. Second thing, not because of any disease, but women want to lower down or alter their hairline shape or anything, then we consider hair transplant. But when, as ma'am mentioned, these are the scenarios which you are suffering from and there is a disease process, then first correcting that becomes the primary goal.
What is important that you need to understand for hair transplant in women, right? You have to know what is hair transplant. So I spoke about this dermal papillary cells having a socket and there is a plug that goes and attaches. The concept of hair transplant in men, they lose the hair from the front and the top. They don't lose from the side and the back. The follicles in the side and the back, that socket is blocked. It is already, so that this plug cannot go and sit there. It is because of this privilege that these follicles are redistributed in the other areas to regrow hair. So unless you have the same condition, there is no point doing hair transplant. So earlier days, we used to do hair transplant in women to lower hairline or women who had met with some accident and who had patches loss, we did hair transplant for them. Unless you have hormone-induced hair loss, which is affecting only the front and top of your hair, then hair transplant is not a solution for a diffuse thinning in female hair loss. It's very important you address the other conditions. So this is very, very important for women who are experiencing hair loss to understand that yes, hair transplant is done in women for specific condition and that is not a treatment option for all female hair loss. Female hair loss, lifestyle changes, nutritional correction, gut health, nutritional supplements, oral medications to correct the cause of the problem, and of course to restart this machine functioning, the scalp injectables. These are the options available and you have to choose which combination of them will help to make sure that you first have to correct your problem. Once you address the problem, how to get this machine start functioning.
I think we just missed one small point, ma'am. Post-menopausal hair loss. So can you tell a little bit about that?
Yeah, so now next is the perimenopausal. I will say not just post-menopausal. Perimenopausal is also more hormonal induced. So that is a many hormonal, and of course there are many women also who want to restore their hair soon after the cancer treatment. It can be breast cancer, it can be uterine cancer. So when you undergo chemotherapy and you lost your hair, and now when you lose, it's called anagen effluvium. So you've lost all your hair. What we can do after you complete your treatment is to give you correct nutritional supplement and give you medication to improve scalp vascularity so that whatever you eat reaches the scalp and then the hair regrows fast. So this is another group among the women, that is a perimenopausal as well as post-chemotherapy or cancer. So that covers the entire spectrum. So today myself and Dr. Smriti Nathani have taken you through all the reasons why women lose hair and what are the options available. Now to describe each of these procedures, it's going to take a lot of time. So if you are women suffering from hair loss and if you happen to watch this video, please watch till the end so that you get a clarity of why you are losing hair. And if you want more detail, you can comment below. Tell them specifically your age and how long have you been losing hair and what is the treatment currently you're taking, and then we will tell you if you're taking the correct treatment, or if you want to book an appointment, you can visit our web portal www.tamiralife.com. You don't need to visit the clinic because we offer online consultation. For hair loss, it's not necessary that you need to physically visit us, because all we need to understand is this whole the history, when did you start, and then we can arrange collection of your bloods investigation to be done at your home, and then once the diagnosis is made, we can ship all the necessary nutrient supplement, nutrition can consult you from the clinic remotely, and then the products can be sent. So if you have any concerns and you're looking for a solution for hair loss, you can comment in the section below and we'll contact you. So I would like to thank Dr. Smriti, and if you have seen one part of this video, please go back and watch the entire video, because it's important you understand all the reasons why women lose hair and what are all the solutions that's available in the market. This is Dr. Jayanthi Ravindran from Tamira Plastic Surgery.
Metal braces போட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கம்ஃபர்ட் இருக்கும், சரியா பேச முடியாது. ஒரு bracket உடைஞ்சிருச்சுனா நம்ம திருப்பியும் 2 months back டிலே ஆகி மறுபடியும் கண்டினியூ பண்ணணும். இது வந்து டாக்டர்ஸ் டிசைட் பண்றது whether you have to go for invisible or clear aligners.